Kamakailan ay dumalo ang Asia's rising star na si Janine Gutierrez ng premiere night ng Phantasmia sa Tokyo, Japan. Ang bongga nga dahil 4 na oras pala ang pelikulang Phantasmia na ipinalabas sa Tokyo International Film Festival na dinaluhan ni Janine. Sikat sa mahahabang pelikula si Direk Love Diaz at sa totoo lang medyo maiksi pa nga ang 4 na oras. Kaya naman nagpasalamat si Janine dahil napuno nila ang mga sinehan doon at naging attentive ang mga manonood. Officially done with all duties for Tokyo International Film Festival. What a great experience to be here and be part of the festival for Phantasmia by Love Diaz. Sobrang saya. The Japanese film audience is amazing. Almost everyone stays through the credits. The cinema was full and everyone is incredibly attentive and quiet. 4 hours of listening to our film in Filipino is such a great experience and so inspiring to see how so many people are interested in our stories and our culture. Ang saya! Thank you, Tokyo! As for Manila, can't wait to bring Phantasmia home. Sa November 10 na nga ay papalabas naman dito sa Pilipinas ang pelikulang Phantasmia. At dahil very supportive ang rumored boyfriend na si Jericho Rosales actress, ay panigurado namang panonoorin niya rin to.